I asked many candidates what software course should I take. Some people says that DevOps course, some people say that testing course, and some people says that web development course like this. Many candidates are they given some guidance according to my education, but I am not interested whatever they said. Finally, I decided to take the course Salesforce developer course, but I'm really struggling to find where exactly I can start to learn the software developer course. What exact the roadmap to become a Salesforce developer? So, can you help me for this? Yes, certainly. I am going to help you. What exact the roadmap for Salesforce developer? So, there might be different roadmaps are available, but this is the general roadmap for Salesforce developer. First, you have to learn the Salesforce platform basics. That means you have to understand that the key concepts of Salesforce platform, such as creation of object models, data security, and the user interface. And at the same time, you will get the knowledge of some Salesforce administration task as well. Because if you have knowledge on Salesforce administration task, then this knowledge definitely helpful to become a Salesforce developer easily. And next step is you have to learn the programming concepts, at least fundamentals programming concepts. If you are new to the programming, then you have to know the programming fundamentals concept like syntax, variables, okay, data types, and control statements, functions. Like this you have to know. So better to get the knowledge either Java programming language basics or Python basics. So after knowing some core Java basic concepts, then try to learn Apex programming language, because Apex is the primary programming language for Salesforce developer. So after learning this Apex programming language, then focus on to learn the user interface development. So there are different tools are there to learn this user interface development. So primarily, many of the companies are used Visual Force. So Visual Force is used to build a custom user interfaces for Salesforce applications. Once you get the fundamental knowledge of Visual Force, then try to learn Lightning Web Components as well. This LWC is a modern web framework to build user interfaces for Salesforce. It's very easy to learn than Visual Force, and it also gives the better performance compared to Visual Force. So therefore, many of the software companies are there preferring who have strong knowledge or experience on LWC. After learning how to build user interfaces for Salesforce application, then you have to focus to learn API integrations as well. You are developing the Salesforce application, you have to integrate that application with other platforms as well. So for that reason, you have to learn either REST or SOAP APIs. After having knowledge on integration part, then try to test and debug your Salesforce application as well, because you have to test your Salesforce application using Apex test classes. Then you can deliver your quality application to the clients. And next one is you have to learn one version control as well, like a Git or GitLab. These are the primary skills to become a Salesforce developer or roadmap for the Salesforce developer. So along with these primary skills, you should know some DevOps principles as well, how you can apply these DevOps principles for your Salesforce development applications. And one more skill is added advantage if you know SQL concepts or SQL concepts as well. And additionally, I can say that if you completed your Salesforce training course with certifications, and if you have certifications, then and you are a certified Salesforce developer, then many companies are there give opportunity who completed certification in Salesforce development. So therefore, highly recommended to do certification as well. Okay, if you still have any doubts on this session, please comment in the comment section. If you really love this information, don't forget hit the like button and share to your social networking platform as well. Okay, so we will meet with one more useful information video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.